So you were not on muscle, you were on carpal bone.
Yeah, down there it's mostly all tendon and bone, right?
Mm-hmm. A metacarpal.
Sorry, horse. Gotta get in there. That's very interesting.
Well, this helps us to determine what test points we want to use in the future, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I mean, we just need to analyze, like, one, this is a human calibration, so we need to modify it for a horse, figure out where horses, like, primary areas are. So this one, like, is 293, so that's pretty strong.
Pretty intense.
Right there. And we got one that was like 800, yeah. That's by far the highest. Oops. I'm gonna close it. So.
And where was that reading at, on the knee?
So that's up here at the shoulder.